Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode of Faculty Friday. Today we have such a beautiful, a talented faculty with us, who's none other than Dr. Malarvayi ma'am, Department of EEE. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, in one line, what makes EEE students special when compared to others?
Well, because they are heartbeat of modern technologies and other engineering stream.
Ma'am, what is the one concept in EEE that students find very tough and you love teaching?
Well, uh, once the engineer students join engineering, second semester they used to circuit the basic electrical paper of circuit analysis. In circuit analysis, they used to study what is the flow of current, what is the flow of voltage, and then at last they used to calculate what is the total power. So at the initial stage, they felt very tough because they are new to electrical, and then they assume the directions. Once they connect with the fussel games, and then throw out of the fussel, they found within a way over what is the way of current and voltage. At last, they got the result, and then they felt that is very easy subject. So methodology of teaching it is there to understand the concept of the circuits subjects.
Ma'am, how many years of experience do you have in our college?
Actually, 2008, I was joining Yanni College of Technology. Every year felt it is a new experience. And then new innovative things. I met with new students. I want to learn something new. And also over the years, Nyantini felt me my hometown like this because our management staff. When I enter into campus, it's like my hometown.
Ma'am, what made you choose EEE? Any special reason behind it?
Yeah, it's very special reason. A reason is there because everything run with electrical. I want to know what is the invisible things over there to work with each and everything. That's why I choose to the electrical.
If you had a remote control for your life, what would you fast forward and what would you replay?
In our college, I want to be pass forward with an art semester, and I want to be eagerly waiting for the event semester because during the event semester only we have the lot of cultural programs.
It's a very special question. If you're not a teacher, what is the career you would like to pursue?
I will be a good homemaker because I love cooking and also I am very interested to take care of my family members.
Ma'am, apart from teaching, you are a woman empowerment self-coordinator. What the experience you have?
This is the good question actually. Suppose I am the only professor of the triple department, I used to meet only with the triple students. Women departments, it is overall college. So I can meet with the overall girl students and then asking the problems and then giving the solution. I felt it is very happy.
Ma'am, what is the most exciting project that you have ever worked on?
Actually, in 2019, we done one project named this Bionic App. It was done for physically handicapped people. So our student assembled in our project lab itself, and then with an outcome of the project, we fixed with an handicapped people and seeing taking of the mobile. It's truly that time I felt very amazing. And also one more thing we have been done. Most probably we are done with an electrical vehicle project assembling by our students, and then with an electrical vehicle we are moving here and there within a college with environmental pollution free.
Ma'am, what is the funniest or unexpected thing that ever happened in your class?
Actually, last year we done on project name it is a firefighting robot. The result of the firefighting robot, that kid want to be sprayed with water. We are waiting for the water, but the water is not coming from the project. Seeing then the power is cut off. So after ending the project, again the power came suddenly. The water spray with everyone. That time we felt it comedy. That is.
Ma'am, if your classroom have a theme song, what song it would be?
Nerupuda Pakum because always electrical with the 23440 volts.
Such a great song. Ma'am, what is one of the most memorable moment in your teaching career?
Taking with the non-medical college of technology, the studying with the people with most of the middle class. Father was with the drivers and farmers and then daily wages like that. One day I was waiting near to Onlur gate for the bus. Suddenly one car came near to me and stopped. Ma'am, get into me, I will drop within a college. I was shocked at the time because that was my student whose father is driver. So I felt on the day something I have done it.
Then you feel it's such a great moment.
Yes, it was very great moment because father is driver and actually after completing with an engineering, they joined with a good company. Within 1.5 years, they bought the good car and then driving the car.
Ma'am, what is one thing that your student do and instantly that makes your day better?
Actually, triple E is based with most of problematic subject. So while taking the problem subject, they understanding the concept and giving the solution while taking the class. I feel something great.
Ma'am, if your life was a movie, what would be the title?
Triple E is my life. The movie name is Minsara Kanavu, not with a Kajol Prabhudeva Arvind Swamy. It is the full world how you make with a renewable energy.
Ma'am, உங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸை ஒன் வேர்ட்ல டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணணும்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க?
They are vibrant. And then nowadays the students very advanced at each and everything, and sometimes little bit too overload also.
Finally, ma'am, if your Tribally have a tagline like a brand, what will it be?
It is the light of world. Thank you for the interview also. Through this interview, I share my experience, what I learned till now, and then I'm feeling each and everything.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving your precious time for us. White plus reactive is equal to. Thank you for the magical moment for us. Thank you.